Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. Kamotho, and in this project I will be explaining each and every example in the book of Excel International 9 to 1 Mathematics A Students Book 2, at least to prepare the candidate for examination. This this program or this project is advised by the need of student having teachers online or outside class, and I believe it will exactly serve that purpose. And to start with, I want us to explain in this short video number 6 example 1, topic number 1 example 1, which says the cost of a phone call is directly proportional to the length. And I hope you have been following my PowerPoint slides and you have understood what direct proportional means. So the cost is directly proportional to its length. And a 3-minute call cost $4.2. There is the cost and there is the length. There is 3 minutes call, which is proportional to $4.2. $4.2. And we are expected to answer some 2 questions. What is the cost of an 8-minute call? Okay, we can give this question 2 approaches. First of all, we would want to reduce the number of minutes to 1, such that if we are talking about 1 minute, how much are we supposed to pay for 1 minute? And then we just have 4.2 divided by 3, which is 4.2 divided by 3, which is 1.4, which is going to cost $1.4. A 1-minute call will cost $1.4. Then we can be able to answer part A of the question. What is the cost of an 8-minute call? So 8-minute call, that means the cost must obviously go high. So we have to multiply 1.4 times 8, which is $11.2. $11.2. And that is part A of the question. Part B of the question, a call cost 23.1. How long is it? How long is it? A call cost 23.1. $23.1. How long is that call? What we need to do here is obviously understand that this call must be a long call, because 3 minutes call is $4.2. This is just 23.1. The best way here is to divide because 1 minute call is equivalent to $1.4. So how long is $23.1? We need to have 23 divided by 1.4 times 1, which is 23.1 divided by 1.4, of course, times 1, which is equals to 23.1 divided by 1.4. This is 16.5. It's 16.5 minutes. Alternatively, assuming we didn't have 1.4, we would have taken 23.1 divided by 4.2, then we multiply by 3, because for each and every 3 minutes we are paying 4.2. So 23.1 divided by 4.2 times 3 is again the same answer, which is 16.5 minutes. 16.5 minutes. That is one approach. This question can have approach B, and I want to explain approach B to the same question. We are told that the cost of a phone call is directly proportional to the length. The cost is directly proportional to the length. This is the symbol of proportionality, and as we understand, it is always substituted by, every time we are talking about the symbol of proportionality, this one, it is always substituted by equals to followed by the constant k. So we can rewrite this relationship in terms of the cost is equals to KL. Now we have details in this question. We have details. For example, we have the cost and we have the length. We have the cost, which is 4.2. We have the cost, which is 4.2, and we have the length, which is 3. Now, if we want to get the value of k, we must use these details to substitute in this new relationship, and we have to say 4.2 is equals to k times 3, because the length is 3. Divide both sides by 3, divide both sides by 3, and you realize that the constant k, let us have 4.2 divided by 3 is 1.4. That is the constant of proportionality. So this constant of proportionality is the one that is now substituted in the original equation, which is the cost, which is a variable, is equals to 1.4 L. Cost is a variable. It changes as the length of the call changes. L is a variable, but K, which is 1.4, is actually the constant. Now we can use this equation now, or this relationship, to find or to answer both parts of the question. For example, part A, what is the cost of an 8-minute call? It is the cost we are looking for, which should be equals to 1.4 times 8, because the length is 8. Let's see. Let us see 1.4 times 8, which is equivalent to 11. We are talking about 11.2 dollars. That is as far as part A is concerned, and this is exactly what we found here. What about part B? A call cost $23.1. How long is it? 23.1, which is the cost, is equals to 1.4 times the L, which is now not known. The best thing is to divide everything by 1.4, everything by 1.4, and you realize that cancels out. 23.1 divided by 1.4 is exactly equals to 16.5. So the length of a call costing 23.1 is actually 16.5 minutes. And that is how you can answer the two questions. Remember, there is approach 1, which include reducing the length into 1, and then there is approach 2, which is the use of the constant of proportionality, which we shall understand further. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, follow, share, comment, of course, and let us move together. Thank you.